how to create a virtual private cloud with the VPC wizards. Okay, so for that I am going to search the VPC first. So on the search part we have the VPC in the isolated cloud resources. So I have just clicked here, and now it will going to redirect me on the VPC page. So let's wait for a second. It will going to be redirect. So yeah, now you can see here we have the VPC page, right? And here we have to click on the create VPC, right? So after the click on the create VPC, we have the options here to choose how the VPC going to work. So for the first one is VPC setting. So as of now I am choosing the or selected the VPC and the more for the future reference. And in the name tag auto generation I am going to change here to put this is my first VPC, right? And the IPv4 it will be being the same remains. I'm not going to change here, right? And on the IPv6 the selection will be the remain. I am not going to say to change here, but I'm going to change in the availability zone because it is related to your cost, right? So if you want to take availability zone to 1, so yeah, you can select here. Now I have the number of public subnet is 1, it will be okay. The number of private subnets, so yeah, it will be okay for me to select it the 1. And in the net gateway I'm also going to select the none here, so it will be okay to me. But on the VPC endpoint I am not going to create the S3 gateway for now, so I am going to just select it the none, right? So this is the values which we have just provided to our VPC, right? Now I am going to click on the create VPC. So you can see it's going to create a VPC, enable the DNS host name and the resolution, right? And creating the subnet which we have selected, and the other things he has created. So you can see the route, right? Internet gateway and the subnets. So now I am going to view my VPC which is just created, right? So let's see, just check out the all VPC. So you can see here there is a by default VPC, right, on the Amazon account, and this is my first VPC which I have just created, right? So now I am going to just select the subnet here on the left hand panel. So you can see right now it is not showing, so I'm going to just reset it. Yeah, so now you can see we have the two subnets. One is the private one and one is the public one. So we have the two subnets here which is the VPC has created for us for our my first VPC. Now I am going to check the route table. You can see here, so in the route table we have also the two part, like one is the public and one is a private. Okay, and on the VPC we have the internet gateway also, so just verify it. Okay, so you can see we have the internet gateway to attach to my first VPC section, right? So this is all about how you are going to create your VPC with the VPC wizards. Now what you have learned here, so you have successfully created a VPC with VPC wizard, and you have successfully gone through all the resources created by the VPC, right? And we have all the validate it, correct? So now let's connect with the next lab with the next topic. So thank you.